The Central Executive Committee of the Jaintia Students' Union JSU staged a sudden demonstration at the office of the Deputy Commissioner of West Jaintia Hills District on Tuesday afternoon. The protesters, holding placards and flags, demanded the immediate deployment of security personnel at Lapangap in view of escalating tensions in the area. The demand comes in the wake of a recent confrontation in Lapangap, where residents accompanied by local pressure groups reportedly dismantled structures and uprooted saplings allegedly set up by members of the Karbi community in the Lumpinthor area. Lapangap has remained a flashpoint of recurring ethnic tension between local tribal groups and Karbi settlers from Assam's Karbi Anglong district. The situation further escalated recently when a Khasi youth sustained injuries from what is believed to have been a pellet gun attack. The JSU has urged the district administration to take swift and decisive action to prevent further violence and ensure the safety of the local population.
Mentang sengi na liang jangi ka Jaintia Student Union Seng kami ngila late tur siya Deputy Commissioner West Jaintia Hills District nagabenta ban yakun ya ka hok jong kita ginong snong kibadon hatay po Lapangap ti haga arpun rutrik jong banai penru arjar arpo san ngile kendo ya I sar preston bat ya ka home department abai day bat ka jeng request jangi government ban deploy ya ki special force hatay hapo Lapangap nakabenta ka safety jong kita ginong snong tarhaga jo ka sngi ngilai kendo ro ya I Director General of Police Government of Meghalaya ban bu kan ju ka sithi sa government nakabenta ban pan ya gini ki force ki balong special nakabenta ban safe ya kita gi nong snong ki badan hapo snong Lapangap te mentang sini hadin bangilai dapat tur sin sports ketriat yang edisi lekot yangi bat ngilayo ya galat ban ya kendo ya Deputy Commissioner nakabenta ban submit ya kanika ultimatum for the immediate security for the people of Lapangap te hadin bangilai ya keren bat Deputy Commissioner ngala request ban bu ya kini ki SF10 ban nagaliang jong Deputy Commissioner ila hak confirm hai EDC maka don sisa ne SF10 nagai liang jong ki Assam hati hapo jaka ya kajia hadin ba EDC ila phone sya sai sama outpost dan liang jong police kil confirm bagi don sisa ki special force ki badon hakatai ka jaka ba ya kajia hak pedeng ka ipenar bat ki Karbi dan liang Deputy Commissioner ila ai ka assurance ba in tho no sa government nagbenta ban bu no ya gini special force hakte ka snong baraga jo ko por ila kularro yangi ban escort ban pahara ya iwai pa iwai inong snong bat khamtam tu kinong snong ki bom pat pendep ya ka thung ba bom la ban pendep ya gani ka thung ka tep nagbenta ka te kinong snong bat ila kularro yangi ba ila kerpat ro yangi bangin long kita ki stakeholder kita ginong snong kibastan na beta ka Jaintia bandon haga peace committee beta ban wanra jingsuk hapdeng ki Karbi bat ki penar nagabenta ka future solution jong kini ki pending border issue te ni nang Jaintia Student ni dadap daga jingsuk komen banagaliang jong EDC ila ai kata ka insurance na benta ka ni ka sngi bai shipo